Hello everyone, you're watching Data Analytics Professionals and I'm Shahnaz Malik. Let's quickly jump into today's lecture topic. Well, all of you, know this is a lecture series on SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and today we are going to discuss SQL Server is a null function, and this is lecture number 47th in this series. So now let me keep it simple to the point without any details that could be read from the documentation. Now the SQL server is null function lets us return an alternative value when an expression is null. It's as simple as it is on the screen. So the syntax is simple. You write the null function, then check the expression. You give that expression which you have to check, and if it's null, if it finds that this expression which you are evaluating is null, then you can provide the replacement value, whatever value you would like that instead of null to take. And it is simple, but let me show you a couple of SQL queries in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and so it makes more sense, and you guys have some kind of uh, you know experience of writing these queries. Now, as all of you know that I always try to use Adventurous Works 2017 database, as it's freely available to download from Microsoft website, and I have given even the website where you could download it, and then if you want to attach it, in one of my videos in this series I have also discussed how you could attach the database with your with your management studio. So now let's come back to our topic. So using is null with average function. Now if you see what I'm doing here, I'm saying is null, and then this I have to evaluate the weight. Okay, so but what if this weight is null? Then if it finds the weight inside production dot product, okay, if it finds this weight as null, then it will replace it with 50. It's as simple as that, and then it will average that. Okay, so it is as simple as it could be. We don't want to take average, and if it's inside null it's not going to work. If it's inside null it's not going to work. So and this is as simple as it could be. So select this I think you should be by now, I have shown you how to use average, but here I'm concentrating on this stuff. Okay, so I'm providing is null function, then I'm evaluating weight. If there will be null, and it will be replaced by 50, and that's all. And let's see how it works. Here it is. Wonderful. So for those who are on small mobile devices, I will try to increase using my magnifier. So here it is. Okay, 59.790059. It's as simple as it is. It can't be, I can't make it simpler than this. Now what about if we just want to use is null, okay, function. Now select a description, okay, discount PCT, min quantity, and then if you see here I'm using is null, and the expression is max quantity, and if it finds null, then it will replace it with 0.00. Okay, as max quantity. So I have in if you have watched my this series from the beginning, you should understand by now it is as aliases, and providing the column name, and but here in this lecture all we are interested in this is null function. Okay, so this is the expression it's evaluating, and if it finds null, it's going to replace it with this value 0.00. And it's all we are finding it from sales dot special offer. And if I execute this query, let me show you. So here it is. Now for those who are on small screens, let me help you to see it clearly, because I see many lectures on various sources. They don't show the results, and if you don't show the results to your audience, I think the 75 to 85% is loss. The information which we are trying to pass, which we are trying to share, may be lost. Okay, so description. Okay, you see, and now here is max quantity. So you see it has replaced it with 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now let us go back to our query window. Now the third, I would like to show you also uh, testing for null in a where clause, so there's a difference. Now remember, please do not use is null to find null values. Okay, don't use is null. Instead use is null. So there's a difference between, in this is null, it's together, and this is separate and null is separate. So when you are testing for null in for example in where clause, you have to use is null. Okay, so here is the query which finds all products that have null in the weight column. Okay, and as I said, please note the space between is and null. So let's quickly execute this. So if you see, what I am requesting is I select we can provide it within brackets if you are long brackets, if you are worried about this blue color. So now select name and weight from production.product where weight is null. So now we want those values from we want those records where the weight is null. Okay, and it's going to search it in the production.product, and we'll fetch 2 columns. And if I execute this query, here it is. You see the weight column is full of nulls, and let me quickly show it for all of you who are watching this on computer screen or maybe Android TVs and big screens. You don't have problem, but for those who are on the mobile device, now if you see name, weight, null, so all records that have null are now in front of us, and we have nearly 299 records, and the query was executed successfully. So guys, I hope that I'm keeping it very simple. If you want to know more about it, you can always refer to documentation about the other conditions of the arguments that you are passing, and and stuff like that, and and see more from the documentation. But this is as simple as it could be, and if it's now time to say from my end, let me take it off. I don't think we will need it anymore in this lecture. So if you see that it was really simple, and I tried to keep it as simple as possible. Now if you like this video, then please subscribe and connect to my account if you haven't done until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, I thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. And remember, sharing is caring, and when you share some good materials, some good lectures with somebody else, your colleagues, your seniors, juniors, and in your company, wherever in the university, remember that that person might also have some good series of lectures, and he will, or he or she will also share with you. And in that in that way, we will spread the knowledge across the globe, and everyone will be benefited, and that benefit will be then passed to companies, organizations, and organizations. When they have good workforce, they kind of can make more money, and that money goes into government. And when the money goes into the tax, when the money is paid to government in terms of taxes, and the government then returns those tax money back in terms of various kind of programs that they make for their citizenship. So look broad, think broad, and share the video. With that, it's time to say thank you all, and God bless you. Stay safe. Goodbye.